Hi there, it's Roger V, and I want to show you how to use the gallery function of SwiftWebDesigner. So first I'm going to show you what I mean. Go ahead and right click on this site. I'm logged into the control panel. This is the website of my girlfriend. Isn't she beautiful? Alright, so we go to gallery, and here you can take a look at just some of these pictures. Our system will automatically create the thumbnails that you see here, and we can just click on one of these pictures and it'll bring up a little thick box with a loading symbol, and then you can just navigate directly through these, clicking these arrows here. And if you hit escape, or if you click this, expand, that'll expand the image, or if you close this, or if you just hit escape, it'll bring you back to the main site. So that's what we're working on. Next, I'm going to show you how to add some pictures, and it's a little bit tricky just because you need to know where to look. So first off, if you have the gallery function enabled on your site, it's going to show up right here, and it's going to look like this. When you mouse over this, you'll see a little arrow here. You can expand that. What we're going to do is we're just going to add new. Next, I'm going to choose my image. I'm going to leave the title blank for now because I don't really know what I'm going to add. Okay, as soon as I click the button there, it's going to bring up the image pop-up. What I'm going to do is, in this case, so if you're adding new images, and this could be useful for testimonials, this could be examples of your products. If you're a cabinet maker, you can upload recent work. Really, that's what you're going to use the gallery for. What you use it is obviously up to you, but you can do this. In this case, I have already uploaded them. So what we did is, if we transfer a site from a previous website design, what we'll do is we will import all your images for you, in which case you'll just go here to Media Library. It's already sitting there waiting for you. And then what we need to do is find the image that we want to add. Okay, in this case what I want to do is this is the picture that I want to add. I'm just going to click show. It's going to bring up, this is Lydia when she was working on the movie Catch Me If You Can with Leonardo DiCaprio. And here's the tricky part. Do not click insert into post. Instead, click use as featured image. And then just let it think for a minute. That done is going to disappear. Then once that disappears, then we can close it. And I'm going to give it a title. And the YouTube URL would be useful if you wanted to include a gallery of videos. In this case, I'm just going to give it a category of Lydia. We just have one gallery. See, all of these are in, this is really the gallery name. So if you've got, if you're a cabinet maker, you might have kitchen cabinets and you might have bathroom cabinets, right? And those might be different galleries. So in this case, all of it's under one gallery. So I'm just going to click Lydia, and I'm just going to hit publish. That's it. That's as much as you really need to know. The picture is then going to tell you, view post, it tells me everything's ready. If I just go here and I hit F5 or hit refresh, it's going to refresh the gallery, and there we go, there's our image. Notice that the icon was created automatically. There's our image.